$200,000 a year. That's the number people imagine when they picture being rich. The big house, the nice car, never thinking about money. No more checking the bill. No more, can I afford this? Just freedom. Meet Marcus. Marcus just hit $200,000 a year. Software engineer. He worked a decade to get here. The day his offer letter came, he cried a little. He texted his parents. His mom cried too. He told his family. He told his friends. Everyone said the same thing. You're set now. You made it. You're rich. And then his first paycheck arrived, and Marcus stared at it for a long time. The gap between a $200,000 salary and what actually lands in your account is shocking, and nobody talks about it. I'm Jeff. Today I'll walk you through exactly what a $200,000 salary looks like after taxes, housing, and student loans, dollar by dollar. Quick note, these are illustrative numbers for a high earner in a major city. The shape of the story is real. Stay with me. By the end, you'll see why six-figure earners feel weirdly broke. Let's start at the top. $200,000, the full number. Before anyone takes a bite out of it, it looks enormous. It feels enormous. And then, the bites begin. Bite number one is the biggest, and it's the one everyone forgets to plan for. Taxes. The more you make, the bigger the percentage that gets taken. That's the marginal tax bracket. At $200K, you're deep in the expensive ones. Let's break down the taxes on Marcus's $200,000. And buckle up, because there are more of them than you think. Federal income tax, the big one. For a single filer at $200,000, this takes roughly $38,000. Just gone, before he sees a dollar. Then state income tax. This one depends heavily on where you live. In a high-tax state like California or New York, this can be another $13,000 or more. Marcus lives where the $200,000 job is. Big salary, big taxes. Same zip code, no escape. Then payroll taxes, Social Security, and Medicare. Another $11,000. Automatic, every paycheck, no negotiation. Added Marcus's total tax bill, around $62,000. Gone. Before he buys a single thing. So $200,000 salary becomes about $138,000 take home. The dream number is already gone. $138,000 is still a lot, way more than most people make. Marcus is a high earner. Tanya nodded when she saw her first paycheck too. Then she did the same math. $138,000, still a lot, way more than most people make. Marcus is a high earner. Let's be honest about that. A modest two-bedroom there, nothing fancy, rents for about $3,800 a month. The same apartment in a smaller city? Maybe $1,400. The city tax on housing is brutal. $3,800 a month is $45,600 a year. Just for a roof. Modest. Unremarkable. Let's say he rents the modest place. $3,800 a month is $45,600 a year, just for a roof. A modest, unremarkable roof. $92,000 left. Dream number, now less than half. And we still haven't paid for food, transport, or that thing that haunts a generation. Student loans. Marcus has a master's degree. That's how he got the job. $90,000 in loans. Loan payment is $1,050 a month. $12,600 a year for the degree that got him the job. Tanya's student loans are even worse. Law school left her $140,000 in debt. Her $200,000 salary is fighting an even bigger anchor. $79,000 left from $200,000. We've lost 60%, and we haven't eaten a meal yet. From $92,000, student loans take $12,600. Now Marcus is at about $79,000. $79,000 is $6,580 a month. Let's watch Marcus spend it. Nothing crazy, no yacht, no designer anything. Health insurance, $400. Groceries in a high-cost city, $600. Utilities, phone, internet, $300. Transportation, taking transit, occasional ride shares, $250. We'll say Marcus doesn't own a car. $1,550 a month in basic survival. That's $18,600 a year. Marcus is down to $60,000. $60,000 is genuinely comfortable. But Marcus is 32. And at 32, life comes at you. Watch. Friends getting married, travel and gifts. Parents aging, quiet help he sends home. $60,000 is genuinely comfortable. But Marcus is 32. And at 32, with a big salary, life comes at you. Watch. Dating in a major city is expensive. Coffee. The occasional restaurant. None of this is extravagant. It's just life. Add up a normal social life, occasional travel, help to family, the small joys, another $2,500 a month. From $60,000, life takes $30,000. Marcus has about $30,000 left. From $60,000, life takes $30,000. Marcus is now at about $30,000 left at the end of the year. $30,000 left over is still good. Marcus is doing better than most, but not the fantasy. But it's a far cry from the fantasy that $200,000 promised. This is why high earners feel quiet shame. Everyone thinks they're rich. They don't feel rich, and they can't say so. A real, lonely feeling. The finish line salary turns out to be a faster treadmill. Tanya feels it too. She makes partner track money and still budgets her groceries. Her college friends assume she's loaded. She's never corrected them. It's too embarrassing. But Marcus's situation isn't hopeless. It's misunderstood. The $200K is powerful, just differently. The dream sold you on lifestyle. The real power of $200K is a faster escape. Version 1. Lifestyle Marcus. Upgrades the apartment, leases a nice car, eats out constantly. Lifestyle. Marcus saves nothing. Feels rich for a while. One layoff away from disaster. And in tech, layoffs come in waves. Marcus has seen 3 rounds at his company in 2 years. Version 2. Strategic Marcus. Same salary, city, loans. But he refuses to inflate his lifestyle. Strategic Marcus takes that $30,000 of margin and does 3 things with it. 3 moves. Thing 1. Attack the student loans aggressively. Kill the $90,000 in about 4 years. Year 1, $22,000 paid. Year 2, $25,000. By year 4, 0 left. Once loans are gone, that $1,050 a month gets redirected straight into investments. Thing 2. Max retirement accounts. The high salary's secret. Tax-advantaged accounts shield money from those brutal taxes. By maxing his 401k, Marcus lowers taxable income, gets tax money back, and builds retirement. 2 wins, 1 move. Thing 3. Invest everything left into broad index funds, automatically, every month. Then, ignore it. Loans die in year 4. Marcus opened the final payoff letter and just sat there for a minute. Quiet relief. Then the full firepower of $200K, no longer leaking, gets aimed at building wealth. By year 10, Strategic Marcus has around $600,000. He doesn't have a fancy car. He doesn't have a big house. He has options, real ones. Lifestyle Marcus has a nicer car, some memories, and almost nothing saved. Same salary, same taxes. One refused to let his lifestyle eat his income. That's the real power. Not a bigger life, a faster exit, speed to get free. Tanya took the same strategic path. Killed the loans first, maxed retirement, invested the rest. 10 years later, over $700,000 invested. Marcus at $200K can hit financial independence in 12 to 15 years. Someone at $60K might need 30. That's the gift. But only if you treat the salary as a tool for escape, not a license to spend. Marcus at $200K can hit financial independence in 12 to 15 years. Someone at $60K might need 30 years for the same outcome. That's the gift, the time. Feeling a little broke while building wealth is the correct feeling. The money is going somewhere better. If you hit a big salary and wonder where it all went, now you know. It went to taxes, housing, and loans. What's left is a launch pad. Feeling a little broke while building wealth is the correct feeling. It means the money is going somewhere better than your closet. You might think the lesson is chase a bigger salary. 300K, 400K, outrun the bites. Wrong. Chasing more salary just gives the bites a bigger meal. Taxes scale up. The real lesson isn't earn more, it's keep more. The gap is about behavior, not salary. Wrong. Chasing a bigger salary alone just gives the bites a bigger meal. The taxes scale up, the lifestyle scales up. The treadmill just goes faster. I've seen people making $80,000 build more wealth than people at $250,000. $80K kept 30%. $250K kept 2%. Salary gets you in the door faster. Keeping gets you free. Keeping is available to everyone. The salary gets you in the door faster, but the keeping is what gets you free. And keeping is available to everyone at every income. 1. Calculate your real take-home, not your salary, what actually lands in your account. Most people never do this. 2. When income goes up, freeze your lifestyle. Let the raise flow to savings, not spending. 3. Treat high income as a temporary launch window. Use it to escape fast. Before it convinces you, it lasts forever. Quick disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. These were illustrative numbers. Your real taxes and city will differ. One Jeff sharing a framework. Comments. If you've hit a big salary and felt that quiet, wait, where did it all go? Tell me, you're not alone. And you're not bad with money. The math is just brutal at the top. If this reframed how you see big salary, share with one person chasing a number. Next video, what a $60,000 salary can build if you treat it right. Subscribe so you don't miss it. Until then, earn the salary, keep the freedom. Take care. Be honest about the bites. Make the bites worth it.